Today we are going to talk about consonant D. So, uh, over the past few videos, we have covered the vowels from A to U, and today is the beginning of the consonants. Um, so let's start with D. So the Spanish D has two separate sounds, hard and soft, beginning of a word and after N or L. The hard Spanish D closely resembles the D in the word dog. Okay, and the difference is that when pronouncing the hard Spanish D, the, the tongue touches the back of the front teeth rather than the gum ridge as in English. In other situations, particularly between vowels, the D is softer, closely resembling the TH sound in the word this. Okay, so basically we have uh, two different sounds. So one will be a hard D, and the other one is a softer D, which resembles the TH sound, whereas the hard D represents the D in the word dog. So I guess the key would be to differentiate between the D's while reading the word in question. So, all right. With that said, let's continue and with the exercise here.
Listen and repeat. Be sure to make your tongue touch the back of your front teeth.
All right. So uh, the tongue touching the back of the front teeth would be while pronouncing the hard D, right? So once you do that, it would the D would sound like the D in the word dog. So I believe that in this set of exercises, we would be pronouncing the hard D because of the tongue touching the back of the front teeth. So let's begin.
Dar,
You can repeat it a few times.
dar, 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 dar,
Dar, dar, which means to give. Dar, dar, dar. Sounds very flat.
dar,
Okay.
cuando, cuando,
Okay. Cuando,
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 cuan, cuan, cuando, cuando,
cuando,
cuando,
cuando,
cuando. It's definitely hard D. Might take a few uh, repetitions to get this right.
cuando,
Cuando. All right, let's move on.
dos,
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 dos, which means two.
dos,
Dos,
Día,
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 día, day,
dónde,
donde,
dónde,
donde. So the link to this website is in the description of this video, so feel free to check it out and practice whenever you can. So
¿Dónde?
donde,
Falda. Falda.
falda, skirt.
Listen and repeat. Again, be sure that your tongue touches the back of your front teeth.
Dar.
Dar. So it's the same set of words, I guess. Dar.
Cuando.
Cuando.
Dos.
Dos.
Día.
Día.
¿Dónde?
Donde.
Falda.
Falda.
Listen and repeat. This time note that the D sound is soft and sounds much more like a TH than a D.
Got it.
Nada.
Nada,
Nada.
which means nothing. Nada.
Adios.
Adios. Goodbye. This is obviously a word which is potentially going to be used quite a lot, right?
Adios.
Adios.
Estudiar.
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 Estudiar. To study. Estudiar.
Vida.
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 Lado.
Lado.
Ciudad.
Ciudad. City.
Ciudad.
Sorry.
Listen and repeat again. Be sure to make your D sound more like a TH than an English D.
Nada.
Nada. So looks like again repeating the same set of words. So let's just move along.
Adios.
Adios.
Estudiar.
Estudiar.
Vida.
Vida.
Lado.
Lado.
Ciudad.
Ciudad.
Each of these words contains both D sounds. Listen carefully and mimic the native speakers.
Meaning you'll have the hard D's and the soft D's. So let's see.
Delgado. Delgado. Delgado.
Delgado. Delgado.
Delgado.
10.
Debido. Debido.
Debido. Due.
Decidido. Decidido.
Decidido. Decided.
Dedal. Dedal.
Dedal.
Dudar.
Dudar.
Descarado.
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 Listen and repeat again. Focus on the difference between the two different D sounds.
Delgado.
Delgado.
Debido.
Debido.
Decidido.
Decidido.
Dedal.
Dedal.
Dudar. Dudar. Descarado.
Descarado. Descarado.
Descarado.
Brazen.
Listen and repeat again. Focus on the difference between the two different D sounds.
Delgado.
Delgado.
Debido.
Debido.
Decidido.
Decidido.
Dedal.
Dedal.
Dudar. Descarado.
Listen and repeat. Be sure to make your tongue touch the back of your front teeth.
Alright folks, it looks like we have completed the exercise for D. consonant D. The link to this website is in the description, so feel free to go through it and practice, and see you guys in the next video.